enjoying evening lunch with family. The protagonist of my story is Kishan, who is 15 years old. My story goes like this. Kishan, a 15-year-old school boy who studies in government high secondary school, is the elder brother of two brothers. After complete, he is an enthusiastic athlete and a student who is pursuing his ninth. After completing his day at school, he along with his brother came back to house, told everything about the day to mother, discussed their day. Along with it, Kishan told what how the teacher helped him to decide their future career and how he is aspiring to become a future officer in Indian Navy. Listening this, his mother got happy and they shared a happy meal in the eve. Thank you.
From the given picture, I persuaded four characters, one female and three male, of age bracket between 5 to 35 years old. Salini Salini lives in a village near Bhopal. She is a homemaker. And she get ready all her three sons for the school. And at the time of breakfast, she was advising her elder son to teach the younger siblings in her studies and help them. And also, she is advising to study well and become an educated one, as she was uneducated. So she wants that her son become educated and get good position or job in the career. Thank you.
Gender given from the given picture, I perceive four characters, one female and three male. The age bracket of them lies from 17 to 40 years of age. The action of my story is Sita making food for her students after school. Sita was a school teacher in a government school where some students stayed back after school for preparation of her IIT JEE exam. After staying back for school, their homes were very far away from the school and they were very hungry and after staying back in the school. So Sita, who lived next to the school in a village, made sure to cook food for them after staying back in the school, and Sita daily made food for them. And after their selection, thank you.
Hello everyone, from the given picture I have perceived four characters, one female, four male of age group 9 to 30 years of age. The overall mood in the picture is positive. The action of my story is treating children with good food after a good school. Lakshmi Bhatti was a woman who lived in a Narmadapuram village. The children in her neighborhood scored very well in their annual exams, so she decided to call them and treat them with good food. She made several good delicacies and served the food. She talked to the children, motivated them and asked them to score well in their further exam and do well in other activities, and promised to call them whenever they wanted. And the children had the food, enjoyed the food and thanked her for calling.
Jai Hind everyone. As I perceive, there are four characters in my story, one female and three male. Age between 14 to 45 and all are in positive mood. Action of my story is plan a picnic at farm. So Ram is 18-year-old college student. On his vacations, he planned a picnic with his family. First of all, they purchase a important item from market and carry it from home, and they booked a rental vehicle and go at a farm, and first of all they start cooking, and Ram help his parents and they playing song, enjoy the picnic and return back to home.
Hello everyone. From the given picture, I have perceived four characters, three are male and one female. The age bracket is between 15 to 40.
Mood is positive.
The mood of the picture is positive. So the action of my story is Ram invites his friend for dinner after competition. So my story is Ram is a 15-year-old student who lives in KV Bhopal, and he recently participated in the sports competition and he won the cricket match. So he told his mother about that. So his mother invited his friend for the dinner, and his mother made food for them.
Jai Hind everyone. From the picture shown, I perceive 4 characters, 1 female and 3 males of age ranging between 15 to 45, and the mood being positive. The action of my story is helping mother in household chores. So Ravi was a class 9 student studying in a local government school. After he and his siblings came back from school, he saw his mother preparing a meal for them, being all exhausted and tired. So after having their lunch, he told all his siblings to help mother clean up and do rest of the household chores to give her some rest. Eventually, all the kids did rest of the work, and their mother was proud of them.
अनमोल आप पढ़ो पहले, पढ़ के स्ट्रेस मत लो। ओके, पहले हर्षवर्धन बोलेगा फिर बोलेगा, ठीक है? इधर आओ, आप 1 मिनट को इधर बैठो, आप सेट करके इसको उल्टा कर लो, सीधा करो, ऐसे पूरा उल्टा करो, हाँ बैठ जाओ, चलो।
Jai Hind everyone. From the picture, I identified 4 characters, 3 males of age around 15 to 17 years, and a female of age around 30 to 35 years. The action of my story is feeding needy school children. Reema, who is a lady in a village, who works in the field during the busy season and is also a homemaker, observes that the school children near her village live alone and do not get proper nutrition. They often struggle to find meals for the day, so she decided to start a lunch service at an affordable cost. She gives the school children affordable and nutritious food, and the children grow healthy and Reema feels satisfied with her service.
From the picture, I have perceived a total of 4 characters, including 1 female and 3 male. The males are ranging from ages 13 to 17, and the females are age 45. Overall mood of the story is positive. Sita, who is a government teacher and is a really dedicated and hardworking teacher, plans extra classes for the academically weaker students, and after the final examinations, when the weaker students finally get a good score and get a good score in the examination, she calls them to her home and
give them food.
yes,
थोड़े गुंडे दोस्त बना, दुष्ट दोस्त, छोटे वोटे बना दो, थोड़ा कॉन्फिडेंस आ जाएगा तेरे में, ठीक है? चल, कोई नहीं, आ जाएगा।
Jai Hind everyone. From the picture, I perceive 4 characters, 1 female being the age of 40 and 3 males being the age of 60. Sunita, a woman from a rural village, was famous for her homemade pickle in her area. One day, her son's friends, curious of the taste of pickle, decided to drop by after school for lunch. She served them chapatis and pickle, and after the first bite, they were extremely impressed. They decided to give her the idea of starting her own pickle business. Being from a financially poor background, she was reluctant at first, but decided to go ahead with the idea. Her pickle business soon bloomed, and she was able to provide financial stability to her family. Thank you.
Everyone, from the picture I perceive 4 individuals, 1 female and 3 males, age range between 12 to 40 years. The theme of my story is cooking food for son and her friends. Reena, a 40-year-old woman in a village, is doing her usual lunch preparations for her son, who will soon return from school. She cooks her son's favorite paneer curry. To her surprise, her son comes home with 2 of his more friends. Reena is very happy and elated at this sight. She happily prepares curry and chapati for her son and her friends, and at the end also serves them homemade desserts. After this, Reena feels very happy serving all of them. Thank you.
From this picture, I perceive 4 characters, 1 female, 3 male, of age from 29 to 15. So the story is talking and getting with friends. Ramesh, 15-year-old boy, from a small village. While coming home from the school, he, along with his friend, he invited his friend to spend his house, spend weekend on his house. During his friend, immediately accepted his offer and come to his house, and to the surprise of his mother, while she was preparing the meal, he explained the situation to his mother, and she made arrangement for his friend to stay.
Hello everyone. I have perceived 4 characters in the story, 1 female and 3 male, 1 female of age 42 and positive mood, and 3 males of age group 10 to 17 years. So my protagonist is Rakesh, who is a 17-year boy and a sports minister, and as well as captain of his school football team. And today in inter-school competition, he had won final football match against their most rival team. And during dinner at night at home, he explains his family about his contribution during the match. He explains how clear was the match against their team. He scored 2 goals and also led his team victorious, and later was awarded as a player of match for his awesome performance.
Jai Hind everyone. On the picture, I perceive 4 characters. 1 female, rest are male, age group 15 to 30 years, and overall mood positive. Scene, the action of a story is scene of a village organizing a midday meal program. Sita is a young woman who works in an NGO which helps in rural development. One day, her NGO decided to organize a midday meal program in a village school. They went to the village where near a building they set up a chula on which Sita herself cooked the food and served the children. The kids present there liked the food very much, and Sita was very happy with what she did.
Jai Hind everyone. In the picture I have perceived 4 characters, 3 male, 1 female, age ranging between 17 to 38. The overall mood of my story is positive. The action of my story is having dinner while talking about the exam. Arjun was a class 12 student who had many friends, and along with his friends he decided that he will be having a dinner after his final board examinations. He along with all his friends went to his home where he told his mother about this, and she made all the necessary arrangements. While having the dinner, they talked about the examination and also about their future plannings, about what type of examinations they will be further planning and how they will be preparing for it. By talking about all this, Arjun got the idea that he will be preparing for the defense services further, and from there on, they all respectively went to their respective houses and prepared for their future examinations.
Jai Hind everyone. In this picture I have perceived 4 characters, 3 male, 1 female, age varying from 8 to 35. Mood of all characters is positive. The action of my story is turning a passion into business. Geeta, a 35-year-old lady, married to a Zilla Parishad employee and had 3 children. She loved cooking and prepared a variety of dishes for her children. So one day while having lunch, one of her sons suggested her to open a small hotel as she cooked very nice. She loved that idea, discussed it with her husband, and with his contact she arranged fresh vegetables, cooking utensils, and a beautiful small shop in the nearest market. Her business went well. Her family as well as neighbors supported her. Soon she started supporting her family economically. Thank you.
Jai Hind everyone. I have posted in this picture that there are 4 characters. One is female and other 3 are male. Their age bracket is around 14 to 38 years. All over mood is positive. Ram is 16-year-old boy. Her mother was using the old tradition method of cooking food in chula. He saw that smoke was coming from chula and it harms their health issues like breathing problem and lungs problem. He explained her mother about the new government policies for taking the help from it. They using the new policies and the state and applying the LPG subsidy. In this way, they using the LPG gas cylinder and make their food on it. Thank you.
And everyone, from the given picture I have perceived 4 characters, 2 male, 2 female. The age bracket is from 11 to 29-year-old, and the overall mood is positive. The action of my story is providing meal to the student. The protagonist of my story is Riya. Riya is a 29-year-old housewife in the near a government school in the Riva district. Riya is a kind and a helpful woman. One day, the midday meal was not provided to the student due to the rain and lack of food supply. So she decided to feed the student. So she took permission from the school principal and invited the student to her house. She made them sit in a batch of five students at a time and served them with food. Later, the student thanked her and she was happy. Thank you.
Jai Hind everyone. From the given picture, I perceive 4 characters, 1 female and 3 male, age varying between 14 to 40. Action of my story is having family dinner. Ramesh is a 18-year-old school student who lives in a village with his mother and 2 siblings. Recently, he won a first prize in debate championship in his school. His mother praised him for his efforts. He became an inspiration for his brothers, and the whole family celebrated by having a feast. After dinner, he started focusing on his upcoming board exams. Thank you.
Jai Hind everyone. From the given picture, I have perceived 4 characters, one female and 3 male, from the age bracket around 40 to 12 years old. The overall mood is positive. The action of my story is feeding son's friend and son. Sita, a 40-year-old woman, on her son's birthday, asked her son to bring some friends after the school. She prepared meals for their son and his friends. After the school, his son brought 2 friends and she served his favorite meal, chicken biryani and fruit salad. They were having fun talk during the meal and had a great time. Thank you.
Yeah, you.
Jai Hind everyone. From the story, I perceived 4 characters, 1 female and 3 males from age ranging between 13 to 40. The action of my story is scene of the house where mother is preparing food for her children. Sita is a mother of 3 children and feeds her sons on his own work. She is also giving them education. And here she is preparing food and also teaching their children how to prepare food if she was not there. She is giving them knowledge to how to prepare different varieties of foods, and the 3 children and she was very happy at that moment.
Okay, you can start your discussion. Okay, Vedant to Shrestha and Gauransh to Ayush. Okay, first business batch.
So gentlemen, I would like to start with, as most of us have decided, as it is an evening meal, we can as most of us as the female as the teachers, and most of us are doing that the other children. Gentlemen, we can take the story as it is an NGO program. A female named Rita started this NGO program by providing midday meal program. We can take it as a midday meal program. Rita is providing
program. Who is feeding the students or
Only girls.
Okay, Jai Hind everyone. As you perceived in this picture that there are 4 characters. One is female and 3 are males. They should practice they are old tradition method. We can use the LPG and it's no more harming their family. So we can use some government policy that they can take the LPG subsidies, like they are using the LPG gas cylinders and others.
The story around she's making food and treating them for some competition or they have good scored good in their exams. So she made the story around that.
Okay, this side.
We can keep the story simple and feeding our friend on a simple occasion. We can take the lady to be mother of the children and she is mother of the 3 and she is cooking good food and the
Okay, only ND and T, yes. Okay. Nominate a person to give the group plan from this group, from the girls. Then this group. This group. Sujal. Okay. इधर से. Okay. So today, Priya, Ananya and Tanusha. इधर से सुजल और कौन था? कृष्णा नहीं. मयूर. अबे बोल ले शुभ. Okay. And Vikas. Okay. And Anmol. Okay. Chalo. We'll start with Ananya. Then.
Jai Hind sir, from the picture we have perceived 4 characters, 1 female, 3 male, of ages 10 to 30 years of age. The overall mood is positive. The action of our story is treating children with good food after they have scored well in their exams. Lakshmi, 30, was a woman who lived in village in Narmadapuram. The children in her neighborhood had scored well in their annual exams, so she decided to invite them and treat them with good food. She cooked several good delicacies, served the food, talked to them and motivated them to do well in other exams as well, and she promised them to call them. The children enjoyed the food and thanked her.
तनुषा, यहाँ कोई बचेगा नहीं, सब सोच रहे हैं ना बच के जाएंगे. मैं यहाँ आपको 50-70% इम्प्रूव करके भेजूंगा. गलत फहमी कोई नहीं रखना.
Jai Hind everyone, from the picture shown, I perceive 4 characters. Jai Hind everyone, from the picture shown, I perceive 4 characters, 1 female and 3 males of age ranging between 15 to 45, and the mood being positive. The action of my story is celebrating the child's victory in quiz competition at his school. Sunita was a
आप अपनी स्टोरी बोल दो ना प्लीज.
so but most of the stories were around so the action of his story is helping mother in household chores. Ravi was a class 9 student studying in a local government school. One day after he and his siblings came back from school, he noticed that his mother was preparing a meal for all of them, being all exhausted and tired. So after having their lunch, he decided and told all his siblings to help their mother to do rest of the work and help to complete the rest of the chores. So eventually all the kids helped their mother, and their mother was proud of them.
Good.
Thank you group for nominating me. From the discussion we have concluded that the action of the story is mother is serving her children, and the age bracket is between 5 to 35 years old. And Shalini lives in a village near Bhopal. She was serving a food for her children after they have returned from the school. And at that time she was discussing with her children about as her son told him about the new schemes. So she was discussing about that with her children and also advising her to take care of her younger siblings and help them in her studies. Thank you.
For nominating me, Jain sir, from the given picture. So after the group discussion, we have all perceived 4 characters from the given picture. 1 female and 4 male from the age bracket around 40 to 12 years old. The overall mood is positive and action of story is celebrating their son's birthday. Sita, a 40-year-old woman, on the occasion of his son's birthday, asked her son to bring friends from the home after the school for celebration. She prepared her favorite dishes after the school and served to his friends. She made chicken biryani and other food salads. And they were having a fun time during the meal and also played several games after the meal. Thank you.
1 female and 3 males of age 10 to 42 years. And our action is reforming the new cooking methods in the village. As Rajesh returned from the school, he noticed more cooking food on chula, which is the old method of cooking. stove, which would help your mother cook in easier way and also do not affect her health.
Everyone, thank you for nominating me. From this picture, I perceive there are 4 characters from age bracket 15 to 40, and female age is 40, and 3 child's age is around 15 to 16. Action of the story is talking and chatting with friends on the weekend. While on the Ramesh, a student of a government school, while on the way of his home with his friend, he offered them a meal and staying over at his house to his friend, and his friend literally accepted it. Then when he went home, he informed his mother about the situation, and his mother then made the arrangement that at the night she served them meals, and after that they went to Ramesh's room and enjoyed the night.
From the picture, we all have perceived a total of 4 characters, including 1 female and 3 male. The female is of around 45 years of age, and the males are from the age of 13 to 17. The female who we have given name Sita. Sita is a government teacher, and she is a very dedicated and hardworking teacher to make every children, and that she teaches a good student. So after the final examinations, all the students who were previously weaker in studies and have finally improved a lot. So Sita had called every student at her home, and she had prepared a meal for them so that they all can have a party together.
Jai Hind. From the picture, we have all perceived 4 characters, 1 female and 3 male, from the age group of 17 to 40. Sunita was a dedicated housewife and a teacher who decided to motivate her students with a freshly prepared house meal. She gathered all the students and decided to cook for them various delicacies and got them sweets also. They were all extremely motivated by this and performed well in their annual exams.
Jai Hind everyone. From the picture, from the story, I perceive that there are 4 characters in the story, 1 female and 3 males, age gap from 15 to 40. And action of my story is the scene of the house where mother is feeding her children and telling them about how to prepare food. Sita is a lady living in village in Rabdapuram, and she was feeding up her children and telling them about how to prepare food. When she was not there, she feed them up on his own, and here she is making food them, and they all were happy.